In this video, we are going to see how we can receive the customer advances against a sales order in Teleprime. As we can see here, the transaction is of 12th of January and it says cash received from Mr. Samuel Burns as advance for sales order. So the customer has given us 400,000 in advance against the sales order that you can notice in the very next transaction that we have received the order of shirts from Mr. Samuel Burns. The amount is total of 720,000. So against that, we have received some customer advance. Now it's very easy and convenient to record the customer advances in Tele. Just go to the gateway of Tele and click on vouchers. And from here, we will switch to receipt. And since we are receiving cash, I'll put cash here and we are receiving it from Samuel Burns. Now, Samuel Burns is our new customer. So I'll just press alternate C. Hold the alternate key, press C, and just write here Samuel Burns. Make sure the spellings are correct and it should go in account receivable. But if you have the old name, it will be sundry debtors. I have renamed it as account receivable. Maintain bill by bill balances. Yes, we want that. Press Ctrl A. And now we want to receive the amount. We are receiving 400,000 and this is against advance. It will ask you how you are receiving this 400,000. I'll just ask that this is an advance and you can mention any advance reference, for example, ADV001, something like that. Press enter and enter and press enter until we go in the narration field. Just copy and paste this narration right here and press Ctrl A. And if you want to locate this transaction from the gateway of Tele, just click on display more reports and click on daybook, select the relevant period. Just click next. Just click on the arrow next to date and set the period from 1st of January till 31st of January. And it shows you all the transactions right here. And this one is our receipt. So this is how you can book the customer advances in Teleprime. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.